John Sabansky. I'm the chief engineer of the 2016 Yukon Formula SAE vehicle. Formula SAE is a collegiate competition where schools from around the world, their students design, build, and race a Formula-style vehicle from scratch. It's very difficult to engineer and design a car if you don't have a model of your engine. So we reached out to Bolton Works because we knew they were an expert in 3D scanning and creating these incredible 3D models, and we asked if they could create an engine scan for us of our motor.
Bolton Works is active in two major areas. One is inspection, metrology, and the other area is reverse engineering. We looked into what other universities did so far. What we noticed is that either the models were not very detailed, or they were built in a way that the individual components could not be taken off the model.
It starts with in here with the scanning. We use a Steinbichler 11M. We'll bring a part in, we'll scan it, get it into a 3D STL, and bring it into 3D Systems Wrap or Design X.
So we scanned the engine first assembled, then we would take it apart and scan the individual components and then paste them back into that assembly scan. So we kind of used the assembly scan as a template. That was all done with Design X, which was a great tool to align all the data in the correct position and make sure that there were no anomalies in the alignment itself.
Once the polygonal model is in the Geomagic wrap, it helps me with hole filling, smoothing the data, processing the surfaces. Once it's in the Geomagic Design X, the mesh sketching is an excellent tool for drawing and extracting the required data from the scan.
So before we had this, kind of vague model that only had a few reference points off of the engine, stuff like the mounting holes, but nothing really accurate. So when we got this new model, we were finally able to create a much more intricate intake mount that interfaced with the engine. Not only that, but we were able to actually design our frame around the engine for the first real time.
The CAD data that Bolton Works has provided us has enabled us to get all of our parts to fit together exactly how they need to. So the differential is spaced perfectly and the intake fits perfectly, and none of that would have been possible if we were trying to model it all by hand.
We were really amazed about the time it took to accomplish this whole task. If I would have used the software tools from the past, it would have taken us at least 6 months to do this. Now we accomplished this within a month, and that was with other projects coming in. So we were really impressed with 3D Systems software.